In this video, we'll learn about dorsal column in a very simplified manner. Okay, dorsal column also has a 3 neurons. Similar to any other ascending tracts, this also has 3 neurons. We have first order neuron, second order neuron, third order neuron. So first order neuron starts from the receptor, which is shown in red color here. It will enter the spinal cord from the dorsal horn of spinal cord, cell body of which is present in the dorsal root ganglia. Now, what is the difference between this tract and the other ascending tracts? This is a dorsal column which we are talking about. Okay, the first order neuron does not relay in the dorsal horn or spinal cord, but just see the neuron, what is happening, just trace along the pathway like this. The red neuron, it is, instead of stopping at the spinal cord, it continues in the dorsal horn. This is the dorsal column or a dorsal funiculus. Okay, it ascends in the dorsal funiculus. Okay, it ascends in the dorsal funiculus and it ends in the medulla. There are two nuclei in the medulla, nuclei gracilis and nuclei cuneatus. And some books you would have seen fasciculus gracilis and fasciculus cuneatus is written. Fasciculus is nothing but this bundle of nerve fibers are called fasciculus. The bundle of fiber which ends in the nucleus gracilis is called fasciculus gracilis, and the bundle of nerve fibers which ends in the cuneatus is nucleus cuneatus is called fasciculus cuneatus. So fasciculus is nothing but it's a bundle of nerve fibers, and these two black structures what I've named here is nucleus gracilis and nucleus cuneatus that is present in the medulla. So the first order neuron in a dorsal column, okay, we are talking about dorsal column. This dorsal column, the first order neuron ends in the medulla, and it is the second order neuron which starts from these nuclei, crosses to opposite side and goes and ends in the thalamus, that is in the VPL nuclei. Third order neuron starts from the thalamus and goes to the cortex. One thing which is common between a dorsal column and an anterolateral spinothalamic tract is that always the second order neuron is the one which crosses to the opposite side. If you compare with the anterolateral spinothalamic tracts, the second order neuron crosses at the level of spinal cord and then goes up to thalamus. But in dorsal column, the difference is the first order neuron will go up on the same side, ipsilateral side, and ends in the medulla. The second order neuron crosses to the opposite side at the level of medulla. After that, the pathway is almost similar to the anterolateral system of spinothalamic tract. Hope you have understood the dorsal column. Again, we have 3 neurons. It is the second order neuron which always crosses to